they're coming. Oh god, oh god. I don't think you're meant to sit on that. Rightio then. Is it? Yeah, just walk away.
You literally destroyed this slice.
Okay, so I hear this car is called Kitt from Knight Rider. I definitely knew that. This bad boy right here. It'd be better in red, I reckon. Just saying. Alright. Let's go onto the speedboat. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So it's already wet, so I think we're good. Okay. Now, do it round yourself. Buoyancy aid. Here we go. Now we go in the line and see what happens.
Io sarò qui per seguirvi per tutta la durata del test, dalla nostra base operativa preparatevi a un'esperienza.
Speedboat, here we go. Speedboat, speedboat, speed. I'm dressed like a buoy, like a life vest.
You're French now.
Yeah, a buoy. Yeah. I'm red for scared, red for danger. I think I'm gonna get very wet on this ride. Everyone looks drenched like drowned rats.
I mean, he's a good speedboat driver.
Let's see what he does. Okay.
Al vostro posto durante tutto il tour. In caso di pericolo schiacciate questo bottone sulla plancia e il turbo booster servirà a togliervi da qualsiasi impedimento. Preparatevi a un'esperienza unica e come diceva sempre Devo, mi raccomando, fate attenzione, anche una corsa può fare la differenza. Io sono Kitt, brutte notizie. Gart si dirige verso di voi su un elicottero. Mettetevi in salvo. Attivare modalità in. Sei già entrato nella città. È stato abbattuto, Kitt. Tutto bene? Rick, modalità auto. potessi farcela. Michael, questa non la memorizzo. Niente da
I'm just saying. Oh, damn! Okay, so bro really was just driving a speedboat. They wasn't lying to you. He was just going for it. He was just doing whatever he wanted to do. And there was pyrotechnics, and there was like a dark bin, there was a shootout. There was all sorts of things happened. Here, let me, oh God, I don't even, this is when it wasn't recording. I was taking liberties with my life. And at one point, because no one sat next to me, I just went into the other seat. So that was pretty good. So now, okay.
So 10 out of 10 would try again?
10 out of 10 would definitely have to try again. This time it might be a little bit less sketchy if someone else sits next to me. Because seriously, like, I just went into the other chair and look, my butt is wet. I sat in a puddle of water. Okay, so I'm at the front of the park. And I honestly hate the locker thing because there's always lockers at the beginning, but some parks have lockers in the middle of the park or something, so they're easier to access throughout the day. But it's not clear at all on the map where the lockers are. So I just feel like, who wants to put their stuff right at the entrance of the park, and then the whole day just have to like run like a million miles back to their locker to get stuff? It just doesn't really work out for me. Can I just say, side note, my fringe has got so long I can't see anything. So hopefully on the roller coaster the hair will be flinging backwards, so we'll be able to see everything. And I'm also awkward at carrying this water bottle for some reason. That's a bugbear of mine, the locker thing. Like honestly, you have lockers throughout the park. Like I know this is a theme park and they have those like lockers that you kind of leave your stuff in. I don't mean those lockers, I mean like the secure lockers. The lockers, like where you put like all your phones and all your expensive shears that you bring, like all your jewelry. I don't know what people put in there, but I have cameras, but yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But anyway, let's go. Okay, am I Sir Lancelot? I do have a bit of a mustache and we are in Italy, so hey ho, let's go. Are you meant to like walk on it? Like, are you meant to like get all up on it?
I don't actually know if you're meant to do it at all.
It doesn't move! Okay, it doesn't actually move. Are you meant to do this?
I don't think so.
I'm gonna get off it.
I mean, hindsight is 2020.